All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So ahead, ahead. Further in time or forward from when one is. So going forward physically or ahead in time. I will go first and go ahead of everyone else. Yeah. They will go ahead with the plans. How cool is that? I'll go ahead and see you there. I'll go first and see you there. They'll go ahead with the plans. How cool is that? I will go ahead and turn the kettle on now to make some tea. How cool is that? You should go ahead and get started. How cool is that? So I will go ahead and meet you there. Meet them there. You should go ahead now. He needs to go ahead of the crowd, the people, of the group. She is ahead of them in the race. She's ahead of them in the race in the first place. They want to get ahead and win the race. It should work and she will be ahead still. Yes. How cool is that? So, all he has to do was move ahead a little. Just keep going ahead. Keep moving, keep going forward. Keep going ahead. Forward. Keep going ahead. That way. Not left, not right. Ahead. Sometime ahead, forward into the future, he'll do it. Sometime ahead in the future, a lot of people will be watching these videos. Yeah. How cool is that? They will go, so they want to go ahead with their plans. When will he go ahead with the traveling? I went ahead and drove around Scotland. Yes. How cool is that? I want to go ahead and get started writing novels. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, ahead. How cool is that? So ahead. Now, can you use ahead in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? Like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me when you search English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. You can also find me by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going. Let's keep exploring.